Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the 3-bar reversal in intraday using Chartink scanner, how the scanner will work for an intraday time frame using a 15 minutes time. So the scanner will help you to find out the stocks. So let me try where the exact opportunity happened that we are finding out by the scanner. So I'm not going to provide you the scanner here right now, but how the stock. So most of the scanners are repainting scanners because of our conditions may repaint. So here the scanner will never repaint whatever the back test you got it. So that is what a real accurate about the system. So that is what the main idea I'm going to discuss here. And the logic behind the trade is the 3-bar reversal. So while we are focusing for a 3-bar reversal, it is a combination of 3 consecutive candlesticks pattern which forms a pattern which looks like 3-bar reversal setup. When this kind of 3-bar reversal setup where it is happening at the lowest level as well it is happening at highest level, the reverse of that 3-bar bullet where it is happening at a highest level, that will be a 3-bar reversal selling. So that I am going to show you on that how many stocks were formed such a kind of opportunity, how the system is working. So that based on scanners we filter out, and this was the today's bullish scanner. On last video we discussed about a daily time frame, and now I'm going to talk about the 15 minutes that was for an intraday opportunity, how it became working. That I'm going to discuss here right now. So let me try it out. There are 4 stocks were filtered out today. So how the stock is performed, but even though it is triggers you stop loss also, that will be available here. It will not repaint because of the conditions we built on the scanner. Let me try it out. These are the 4 stocks we got it today. As per the 15 minutes time frame, we got a 4 different stocks. Let me check how the stock is performed according to that pattern of the candlesticks. The first one is Jubilee Food, where it is happening at 10:45 a.m. in the morning. So let me see, this is what the 10:45 a.m. candle. So the 3-bar reversal will calculate past 3 bars. So here the pattern where exactly forms a 3-bar reversal. At this point there is a 2 consecutive down candle with a one next one should be the bullish candle. Will finding out there is a buying opportunity or buying pressure which is happening at the lowest level. So when the buying opportunity which present at the lowest level, there will be an opportunity the stock can move up at the bottom. So most of the people who are trying to buy the stock at the lowest level are investor who are ready to buy the stock if it is coming down to the lowest level, if it is a good and quality stock. Same like that, there's a concept where the stock is fallen and big. So here we see a down trend. So at the bottom we see a bullish engulfing, not bullish engulfing, it is a 3-bar reversal, and this one should be the engulfing pattern whatever. So but we combined last 3 bars. If it is forms a 3 candle reversal pattern, we would take as a opportunity on that. So where the opportunity is present on that particular stock, let me check it out. What was the stop loss and target? So from this point we made 576.40, and the stop loss for the trade is 573.85. Almost 2.5 rupees should be the stop loss for the trade. If any point of the time if you see there is a big in stop loss, simply avoid such a kind of trades. It may be a small stop loss where we can try to take this stop loss, and after that particular point market went up to 585, almost 9 rupees it moved from your entry, or it is moving almost to 9 rupees, but we have taken the risk of just about 2.5 rupees, or near hardly 3 rupees is for our stop loss, but it went up to 3 times more. But my suggestion, we can try to take a trade by 1:1 or 1:2 would be the best and better strategy. This was the first stock where we find out by using the 3-bar reversal by bullish. And the second one, where we got it on the second stock, that was and Syngin at 12:30. Let me check it out what happened on the stock. So this is what the second stock, where we find out there is a 3 bar reversal, where exactly the chart that our scanner will find out an opportunity that is happening at 12:30. But here we didn't get any opportunity, so we are trying to buy the stock over and above this point, but unfortunately the stock is not broken that level. Would be the there is no opportunities on the stock. That is what the main key. So we didn't get any trade opportunity on this particular stock, and then it started moving down and finally hitting very low. But here this trade will be ignored, or we are not taken any trade in this stock, but we got a second stock, it has no opportunity. And the third one, it's a 𝐂𝐳 that is happening at 1:30. Let me check it out. 𝐂𝐳, it is happening at 1:30, should be 1:30 at this point. This is what a 1:30 where it is happening the trade. And if you focus what was the stop loss and target for that stock, entry is 141.3 and the stop loss for the trade is 140.9, just 40 paisa risk, and finally it moves another 40 paisa where it is happening. That was target trade like 1:1. And finally we have find out a stock, that is what 𝐂𝐻 Housing Finance as 245. It is not a good time to take intraday, but we will check it out. 𝐂𝐻 Housing Finance, right? 𝐂𝐻 Housing Finance at 245. What with this? 245. And this wasn't a stop loss trade. Yeah, this is what the main conditions where we built on our 3 bar reversal. If any position where it is triggers your stop loss, it will be not available on the scanner because of the conditions we made. But here we made a conditions, whenever it triggers your stop loss also, that will be not repaint on our scanner. So if you check that tomorrow, the stock will be available on the list. It will not never ever repaint. So recently yesterday, how many stocks we got? A lot of stocks which is present by yesterday 21st around 11:45. This is happening by 9:30. This is happening 9:15. We are not going to take a 9:50, 9:30, 9:45. So because we are using a 3 bar reversal, this may happen due to by previous day candle. That we should avoid this kind of stock. Let me check it out. Hindu Hotel, Zee Entertainment, lot of stocks. Hindu Hotel. That is happening yesterday, right? Yesterday, can you check? This is what yesterday's trade, but it is happening at 9:15. It took the comparison of past 2 days candle. If you are focusing for intraday candle, we have to wait for the 3 candle which is close on intraday itself, because it combined last 2 days and compare with the last 2 candles and today's first candle. So if you get any signals at 9:15 or 9:30, we may ignore, but whenever the signal which is happening after 9:45 would be the right signal. That we see around 11:45 we got a SBI Life, because it is a scanner, it will find out such a pattern which is happen. Yeah, SBI Life at 11:45, maybe stop loss. Let me check it out where it is. It is not giving you entry again. Let's see, there is a 3 bar, there is no opportunity it given. Instead of that, it started moving down and without giving you buying opportunity. Okay, right. And whatever the previous stock, other stock after 11:45, we have the stock UltraTech Cement at 12:45. That is what happening at yesterday. UltraTech Cement. Oh, great, very nice. With this 11:45, yes, 12:45. Exactly, the time is 12:45. This was the candle, and the low, which is around 6036, was our stop loss, and it never triggered your stop loss. This was another targetable trade from this entry point, 6078 to 6036. The day itself, it went up to near about 6149. There is another good opportunities on that, and the next one would be around 115. It's a Reliance. Justice at 115. Maybe this, yes, 115. This is also be a good valid trade by using this 3 bar reversal, and after your entry, then it boom. And what about other trades? Okay, good, working good. At 2 p.m. so we got a lot of stock: Lupin, Sun Pharma, SBI Life, and Granules. Let me check Lupin. Yesterday 2 o'clock, around 2 o'clock, Lupin, maybe this triggers you stop loss. Let's check it out. This was a stop loss trade in Lupin. Okay, so the high is 49.20, 52.75, almost triggers your entry, and then it triggers your stop loss of 500 and 648, 52 to 48. 3 rupees got triggered in this one. Still the stock will be available on this list because it is not repainting yet. And Sun Pharma, let me check Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, the same 2 o'clock. This was a perfect trade where it is moves very big. And what was the stop loss and target for the trade? So we took 86 and 87, 68, 67.45 and most 864, 334 rupees, and it went up to maximum high of 872. Almost your 1:1 target got triggered on this particular stock. And what about SBI Life? One stock got triggered your stop loss on Lupin, and Sun Pharma got triggered target, and SBI Life at the same time frame, that is no target, no stop loss till the day it closed with minimum profit or minimum loss. The entry point is, let's say, 1169, and here closed by 1169, almost 70. It is close to minimum. No profit, no loss kind of trade will happen on SBI Life and Granules. Finally, Granules. See, this is happening at 2 o'clock. Again, there is another good trade. So at this point, we never at target stop loss, and it was closed by positive, and the risk would be very small. If you compare, the high is 306.90, the lowest 305. 1.9 rupees or 1.8 rupees is the risk, and it moves to 309.5 from almost 2.5 rupees. It increased. That was the key concept where we are using 3-bar reversal. This is what a backtest result or I have seen, and it never ever repaint. So I hope you understand how doing that 3-bar. We have a course, recorded course for a 3-bar reversal, which is helping of the scanners and screeners we can use for intraday and positional. That is also be available. If you are interested, you can contact me. The number provided in the description, as well as you can contact me my Telegram or WhatsApp, and to more detail about the scanner. Thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, hit the like button, share to your friends. If you have any questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and we will see the higher reversal also, the bearish reversal. I can make a next video for a bearish reversal. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.